Everyone, here just I am designing the topology. So let me take the CSR router here. I will take two CSR router. Okay, because we are planning to do the lab for what we can say for ER span. So we are going to do now. So here you can take the two CSR router and I will increase the RAM here. Let me take at least 8 GB each unit, so it will boot up fast. And this is a 2 CSR router, so I can connect from here to here like this. And here I can take some device. Let me take two VPC. This is simple. I will take the VPC, so it will not consume that much RAM. Here if you see, this is a VPC, so I can take two unit here. I will give the name as a PC here, and then I will connect one PC this side and the other PC is this side, and we can rename the PC. If you go here, click edit, and you can put here PC1, and you can go here and you can edit and you can put the PC2, this one. Okay, and IP schema we can use anything. I will put here whatever IP schema, example 192.168.12.0/24. I am going to use this IP schema. I am going to write here 14 and bold, same color we can use. This one I am going to use in between this router. Okay, let me power on this router because this router will take a lot of time to boot up. And what else we can do, we can say here this router interface we can use IP 192.168.1.1. so I will put here 1.1 here. Okay, and what else I can do here, I can make duplicate this one. I can go here, I will put here we are going to use the IP 2.1. this is 2.1, this is 1.1 here, and we can duplicate this and I can put this IP here. I will write here 192.168.1.2. this IP we are going to assign to this machine, and this IP we are going to assign to this machine, that is 2.2. okay, now we can power on this computer, and we can assign the IP address to this PC first of all. So I will go here, we will assign the IP